Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Destiny and we are on a journey to pre-plan 2 months worth of content in 6 days. I might not be able to do it, but I'm going to do my best so that you guys won't skip a beat with me here in my planners. It is kind of gloomy. I have my camera lights on, so hopefully it's not looking too dreary. But this is the current week. It is currently Wednesday. I've already filmed for the next week's Plum paper, and then I just filmed for the dashboard as well. So now we're going to be doing Plum paper 28th to the 3rd. So this is the week that we just did, and then this is the week that we're going to be doing now. Is that confusing? A little bit. Okay, so straight away I want to go ahead and put what my devotional focus is for this week. So for the whole month of July, my focus has been motherhood, but come Friday I will be starting another one, but I'm not worried about putting that here. And what I'm actually thinking I'm going to do is I'm only going to plan to Thursday. Because whenever you get to this one, it gives you that extra week. No, I don't like that because I don't want just 3 days. No. We're going to do the whole week right here. That's what we're going to do, guys. Okay. All right. So first things first is this is how I plan in this planner. I always take this one off so I can turn it over and I don't have to be flipping back and forth on you guys. So first things first, let's choose a color so I can make my little checklist for my cleaning. What color do I want to use? I don't know. Let's go with green. Yeah, green. Okay. So let's do this. We got one task Monday through Wednesday for cleaning. That's kind of bright. That is really bright. Whoa. Okay, and then we have one task on Thursday, and then 2 for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That is a really bright color. Holy cannoli. Okay. So Monday is my bathroom days. Bathrooms, and then Tuesday is bedrooms. Wednesday is my office, which I normally do not do. I still have not finished cleaning and organizing my office. Like most of my I'm still in boxes behind me. I have all my Bibles hung up, or what the heck? Hung up? Where? Where would you hang a Bible? I don't know. All my Bibles are on the bookshelves, but like everything else, like all my other planners and notebooks and stuff like that, they're still in boxes. They're in boxes and piles on the floor. So one day I will get to my office and making it an oasis, but for now it's the opposite of oasis, which I don't even know what the opposite of an oasis is, but that's what it is, okay? It's the opposite of an oasis. Okay, and then I am going to have my self-care section, which, I'm going to go ahead and first put down my washi, which is going to be, I don't know what happened to this. It arrived in my post box like this. Post box? Isn't that what people in England say? No, anyways, it arrived in my mailbox, all crushed up like this, but thankfully the washi is still good to go. So I'm going to place this down so we can have a little bit of cute stuff. This is my functional planner, okay? We're in my functional planning era, but I still want a little bit of cutesy, okay? Come at me if you want to. We still need a little bit of cute. And the amount of washi that I have is actually embarrassing, so I should probably ruin it. Excuse you? What did you just say to me, Destiny? I should probably use it before it ruins. So yeah, we're gonna lay it. It's beautiful already. And this is the floral planner, so it's just chef's kiss. That looks amazing. Okay, and then I'm going to use my 0.8 micron because it is a bold tip, and I'm going to go ahead and label this one self-care, which this is going to be the first full week that my husband is gone. So I don't even know if I'm going to be able to get to self-care, but we're really going to try. We're going to try our darndest. And then next to it, I'm going to write orders, which I should not have anything coming in, but in case my Laurel Denise order doesn't come in this week, I'll be waiting for it on this week. Okay. And then I need to put my deep clean task, which I will put here. So this week was bedrooms, which means that this week is basement and office. Okay, I see what you did there. You're funny. Okay. My planner really wants me to clean my office. I will clean my basement though. I mean, my basement stays fairly clean just because we constantly have to clean it because I have a senior dog that I have had since my freshman year in high school, and I graduated in 2015. So he is a senior dog. He's about 14 years old, and he has accidents now. And so we are always having to steam clean. We only have carpet downstairs. Upstairs, it's all hard floor, and he uses the carpet only. Love that for me. So we're constantly steam cleaning it. Eventually, we're going to have it pulled out, though. As soon as we save up some money to do so, we're going to have it pulled out and... Sorry, we're going to have it pulled out. I was looking at my tasks. We're going to have it pulled out and replaced with the hardwood that we have upstairs as well so that the whole house is the same. But we just haven't gotten to it yet. Okay, so we have basement and office. So I need to write these tasks here. So sweep, mop, and vacuum. Wipe appliances. Declutter, and then steam clean is for the basement. Which there's not really much to declutter because all that's down here is like in the basement, aside from my office, is just my husband's gaming computer. And if I decluttered anything on there, he'd probably kill me. He'd probably come home from freaking school and kill me. So I won't be doing that. Steam clean. Okay, and then the tasks for my office is dust computer, keyboard, and screens. Dust computer, keyboard, and screens. I'm sorry, that thought is amusing. I need to disinfect my desk. If my baby would be content, I would love to get all this stuff done like when I'm supposed to be doing it. But he's like, if I set him on the floor, he's probably thinking in his mind like, "Mother, you got like 10 minutes before I lose my ish." Okay? So I'm often not able to like focus on the deep cleaning and stuff like that. Okay, organize drawers. And dang it, I forgot what that said. And supplies. Yes, that's right. Okay. I started singing and I got distracted. Okay, so there we go. There's my deep cleaning task. Wow, it's looking great already. Okay, so I put that. I put deep cleaning. I put the self-care. We need a verse, which we will find in just a momentito. And then I use this for my YouTube, but since I am pre-planning so far in advance, I do not know what videos I am going to have ready or not. Here I come. Sorry. That's I love Fast and Furious, and it's in one of the Fast and Furiouses, like whenever they're like racing or something, it's like, ready or not, here I come. Sorry, don't mind me. Okay, let's find a verse. Let me shut up and let us find a verse, okay? I think I'm going to go into my Psalms book. So this is just the book of Psalms. It's spiral bound, and the opposite page on every single page is blank. So I am just going to open it and see if anything... I see something about anger already. That speaks to me. I really struggle with anger. So I think that's what we're going to go with. And it's gonna be my first week without my husband coming home to help me. So I think that anger is probably going to be something I need to focus on not being. So refrain from anger and forsake wrath. Fret not yourself, it tends only to evil. For the evildoer shall be cut off, but those who wait for the Lord shall inherit the land. I like that. Okay. I don't think I'm going to write all of that. I think I'm just going to put refrain from anger and forsake wrath. Because I'm a wrathful human being and I need to not be. So, okay. That is also Psalm 37:8. Okay. So I'm going to write that here. Refrain from anger. And I'm going to refrain from anger and forsake. Whenever you look at highlighted words, like, do you read it like that? Whenever I see a highlighted word, I read it in a different tone. Okay, and forsake wrath. Okay, that's Psalm 37:8. Okay, and we got refrain. Refrain. Forsake. Perfect. Okay, I am loving this so far. I don't know why my phone is like so dimmed. I cannot see if I'm recording. I think I am. I better be. Friggin' better be, phone. Okay. Next, let's find a sticker. I have this little motor box that I have apparently stashed a lot of stickers and stuff in here. So let's find one. First of all, I really like that. So, well, that might just be what goes there. Okay. Yep. Oh, well, I found my sticker. That was easy. This is the one I want. Hopefully it doesn't fight me to come off of this backing. Fight me, bro. Come on, man. This takes full concentration, guys. I got it. Okay. And I'm going to try to center it. Beautiful. There she is. That is all I have for this page here. I love the way that it came up. Okay, honestly, like, I think I'm a functional planner nowadays. Like, I know I was kind of forced into it, but like, I am loving the way this looks. Like, this is flicking gorgeous, man. I could rage about how gorgeous this is. I actually am loving it. I love this planner so much. Oh my gosh, Plum paper, marry me. Okay. Okay, not me over here trying to pre-plan my videos and my freaking recording phone dies. So this is my actual phone. I don't know where I left off. Like, it was the end of the video. Like, it could have literally given me one more minute and I would have been ending the video. That was so disrespectful. And now I don't know what I ended up saying, like what I ended off saying. But I was just saying, rude old iPhone, okay? I was saying that I am loving being a functional planner. Like, I was forced into it, but I freaking am loving this. Like, this is beautiful, if I do say so myself. So I hate that I was forced into it. I hate that my husband is going to be gone, but I love this freaking planner. Plum paper, like, I'm pretty sure that I'm going to use you for the rest of my life. But it's going to be like a good, like, ugh. It's going to be a sacred dedication to you. Okay, you know what? I'm not going to hold myself to that. But no planner has made me as happy as this planner right here has made me. And I am loving it so far. So, anyways, here goes another video pre-planned. So, the 28th to the 3rd. So, let me go ahead and check it off. Look at me. I'm already 3 videos into my pre-planning. And then I have just a small little bit left to go. So, there is my setup for this for that week that you're going to be seeing. God, I don't know how to do my outro anymore because it's all pre-planned. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I seriously, guys, this planner is making me so happy. This is a 7x9 Plum paper, vertical priorities, and it's literally making my life right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like. Consider subscribing if you're not already. Leave me a comment down below. I would love to talk to you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!